While watching a movie, you see different types of characters. There will be a hero, there will be a villain, there will be a supporting role, there will be a person who makes you to laugh. You see different people over there. Just like that, when we are studying international law, we see different types of individuals. With this video, I am trying to understand or help you guys to understand different types of individuals available under international law and where exactly or how exactly we have placed them when we are studying international law. Hey guys, welcome to my legal classes. This is Ganesh Pujari and let us try understand the different individuals and their places in international law with my single slide video. We are going to discuss 8 different types of individuals and their place in international law. Now we are going to discuss about the pirates, terrorists, aliens, wartime prisoners, war criminals, individuals suffering injury, refugees and asylums. It is kind of a dictionary where you will understand all of those category of individuals, and I'm also going to explain you guys how exactly they are placed when it comes to international law. This is a kind of dictionary. This is not a detailed explanation. Whichever is an important category of individuals, I will make an independent videos for them over a period of time. But for now, you can use this as the dictionary for the individuals under international law and how exactly they are placed. Let us discuss one by one. The first category that we are discussing is pirates. And who are pirates? Pirates are those person who attack and robs ships at sea. Now, how exactly we are treating them under international law? They are considered as enemies of mankind and hence they are punishable under international law. The second category is terrorist or persons involved in harmful acts. Now, what is the meaning for the term terrorist? Terrorists are the person who uses unlawful violence and intimidation, especially against civilian in the pursuit of political aims. And how exactly they are treated under international law? Under international law, they are punishable, and for that, the case law is Ex parte Petrov 1971, where two persons who were found guilty of throwing explosive substances on the Soviet chancellery were convicted. The third category of individuals under international law are aliens or foreigners. Aliens or foreigners are those persons who born in a particular country and visiting a different country. Now, they can be friendly aliens or enemy aliens. We have different types of aliens. Based on that, they will be treated. Now, that is one important aspect you need to remember. And if they are coming up with a valid passport and visa, they need to ensure that they are following all the conduct which are being expected from them. That is one of the important requirement that they need to follow when they are visiting another country. So I'm going to make definitely an independent video on aliens because that is one of the important aspect of international law. The fourth category of individuals are wartime prisoners. As per the Geneva Conventions for the Protection of War Victims, which came in the year 1949, the military or the civilian or the people who are living in and around war zone need to be protected even when they are wounded or sick or in other cases. The fifth category is war criminals. Remember, there is a difference between wartime prisoners and war criminals. Wartime prisoners are those prisoners who got caught due to military action or being civilian at the war zone or something like that. But war criminals are the persons who has carried out an act during the conduct of a war that violates accepted international rules of war. So they are not wartime prisoners. They are considered as war criminals for not following the rules or conduct which are accepted by international community, and in that case they will be punished. That is what as far as war criminals are concerned. Sixth category are those individuals who have suffered injury under international law and they can claim for such damages and compensation in certain cases. That is how we are treating them under international law. Seventh category is refugees. Who is a refugee? Refugee is a person who has been forced to leave their country in order to escape war, prosecution or natural disaster. And how exactly we are treating them? Refugees who have valid objections to return to their country of origin should not send back. This is how we are treating under international law. But if I say that much, you will not understand completely on refugees. I will definitely make an independent video for refugees also because it is a quite interesting topic. Just like that, I will make an independent video on the eighth aspect also, which is asylum. Asylum basically means the one who has left their home country as a political refugee. Now, if you happen to see the current scenario, Nirav Modi is saying that he is the asylum of India or he has left India because he is made to leave because of political circumstances. Now here how exactly international law treats them depends on case to case basis, so that is one factor we need to keep in our mind. I can't say that I'm finishing this video here because I'll definitely cover on aliens, refugees and asylum. Let me see how important are other topics. If I feel and I get sufficient content, I will cover on them also. Till then, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. All the very best for whatsoever purpose you're watching my channel, and thanks again.